Since 1864, St. Louis College of Pharmacy at UHSP has been preparing pharmacy professionals for what's next. But let's be real, this isn't about our history. It's about what we can offer you right now. Let's take a closer look. Developing hands-on clinical skills is a critical part of St. Louis College of Pharmacy curriculum. Our pharmacy practice skills labs are designed to reflect the real-world settings you're training for. Our Community Skills Lab provides a mock pharmacy setting where students can experience the workflow of a community pharmacy, recommend over-the-counter medications, and counsel patients about self-care and prescription medications. In our Pharmaceutics Lab, students learn the art of drug formulation, run pharmaceutical science experiments, and practice how to interpret prescriptions to efficiently compound various dosage forms. Develop your skills in a health system setting in our Hospital Skills Lab, which features a sterile compounding space with laminar flow hoods that allow students to prepare IV medications. You can also practice and develop your patient care and communication skills in our Clinical Skills Lab with simulated exam rooms that mimic the look and feel of a traditional physician's office. Recording capabilities in these spaces give you a chance to watch yourself in action, reflect on your progress, and build your confidence. Inside the classroom, our tech-forward spaces support interactive, team-based learning that mirrors what you'll see in practice. You'll gain hands-on experience starting in St. Louis and expanding to more than 500 rotation sites across 38 states and even 15 countries. Support is built into your journey. You'll have access to expert St. Louis College of Pharmacy, faculty mentors, personalized academic help, and study spaces tailored to your learning style. Our library is one of a kind, offering everything from research databases to centuries-old texts and guidance from expert librarians. Interested in research? You don't have to wait. Join projects with award-winning, published faculty as early as your first year. You contribute to discoveries that move healthcare forward and shape your future in the process. Need housing? We've got options for professional students that offer a more independent lifestyle while keeping you close to everything you need on campus, like parking and dining. Here, you can live where you learn, stay connected, and keep life simple. Get involved through professional pharmacy organizations and connect with over 8,000 alumni ready to support your journey from classroom to career. And don't forget, you're in St. Louis. It's more than a backdrop, it's a part of your story. You'll find culture, energy, and the opportunity in every direction. This is a place that will grow with you. So let's grow together. Hope to see you soon.